Ever find yourself lost in a daydream? The spark of possibility ignites. You see yourself smashing goals, charging forward, leveling up, becoming the unstoppable force you were born to be. Guess what? You're not alone in this. We all crave that next level, to rise, to leave our mark on the world, but let's get real. There's a canyon between wishing and winning. Maybe you swore this year you'd get fit, but your sneakers are still waiting for action. Or you downloaded that language app, but your streak fizzled out on day one. We set targets, we strategize, and then life throws a curveball. Our drive is fierce, but our follow-through not always. Here's the deal. Intention is just the ignition. Action is the engine. Want results? Stop dreaming, start moving. Want it? Build your battle plan. Set bold, clear goals and break them into power moves you can crush. Big dreams aren't built in a flash. They're forged one choice, one bold action, one relentless day at a time. Here's how you win. Picture the hero who finally laces up and hits the pavement. Just 10 minutes, then a habit is born. Or the musician who carves out time every day to master their craft even when it's tough. Or the parent who preps healthy fuel for the week ahead so every dinner is a win. These aren't superpowers, just relentless small wins stacked high. Each step makes the summit possible. So what's holding you back? Today is your shot to turn dreams into action. Pick a target, break it down, write it. Tell someone, accountability turns dreams into victories. Now take that leap, even if it's just a single step. Every move brings you closer. Progress isn't always loud, but it's always powerful. Remember, relentless effort beats perfect plans. Your future self is counting on you. So ignite your fire, take action right now. The only thing between you and greatness is what you do next.